In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually add a merchant logo in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Sometimes Monarch Money does not automatically display a logo for a merchant, so you will need to add it manually for better visibility. To do this on desktop, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, open the Merchant section where you will see a list of all merchants. Find a merchant you want to update and click on it, then select Edit. Look for the logo or photo section, then choose the option to upload an image. Select a logo file from your computer, preferably a clear PNG or JPG, and upload it. Once added, the logo will be applied to that merchant across your transactions. After saving, you should start seeing the logo appear when you expand transactions or view merchant details. Manually adding logos helps improve recognition and make your transaction list easier to scan. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.